So just taking a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As you can see, Bitcoin holding the markets back once again with a big dump or correction today, as you can quite clearly see here on the hourly time frame. Bitcoin decided to choose violence today and basically dump the whole market down and ruin all the momentum that we were getting for altcoins. Altcoins pretty much at all-time highs up here. We came up, retested back into that area, got rejected, and then obviously you can see Bitcoin clearly dumping the markets down here in general. Nothing to do with Verasity specifically or any other altcoins. Bitcoin just trying to hold the market back yet again by the looks of things, with altcoins getting so much good momentum recently over the past week or two. Bitcoin obviously destroying all that momentum in one foul swoop, as it often can. You can see we've obviously been coming up for a little while, ever since we came down to around this 107k area here, back tested. We had a pretty good week or two at the start of September here, as you can see, but Bitcoin looking like it's getting a correction here, dropping down into this area here, into these fair value gaps. As you can see, looking for that bounce back out of that area, probably going to sweep liquidity here and hopefully come up and continue upwards. But this has obviously dumped down the whole altcoin space quite significantly. You can see if you look across the board, a pretty massive correction, to be honest, across a lot of cryptos here. You can see Dogecoin, as powerful as it has been, has had a correction here in line with the rest of the market. Verasity here, no exception, coming down, sweeping liquidity below this level here, as you can see. Hopefully we can get V-shape out of this area, back up to this resistance and continue. But obviously Bitcoin, as always, leading the market, and when Bitcoin does dump on Mondays, we usually end up having a bearish week, so we're going to have to see what happens. But in terms of Verasity, not really affected too much at all here. In terms of the macro, nothing has changed whatsoever. We're just continuing sideways in this range, and we will be for the foreseeable until we can see the altcoin basket finally getting the upside that it wants. But you can see, obviously, having a little bit of a decent correction today, back down into this previous area of structure, but hopefully this can give us a springboard to get to new all-time highs. For now though, Bitcoin, as you can see, dropping the markets down. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and get some free money in the description below.